Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can change Instagram password, and it's very easy thing to do. And you can do this both on the desktop version and the mobile version as well. So first of all, go into your profile by pressing your icon here, and then go to settings by pressing on this wheel. And then you will have the option to change password. Press that. This opens up a new window where you can type your existing password and then the new password twice to confirm that it's the same and you haven't made any typos. So in the same way, if we go to the mobile version as well, and this will show you the exact same process. Go to the wheel and then you will see an option to change password. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials, and see you guys in my next video.